A manual breast pump is a simple and portable option for expressing breast milk. It does not require electricity or batteries, making it convenient for travel, work, or emergency situations. Manual pumps are quiet, easy to carry, and give you full control over suction and rhythm. This type of pump is ideal for occasional pumping, relieving breast fullness, or expressing milk when you are away from home for short periods. Because you control the pressure by hand, you can adjust suction instantly for comfort. Using a manual breast pump regularly and correctly can help maintain milk supply while offering flexibility and ease of use in everyday life.